If you're trying to figure out how to stop Black Friday email spam right now, you're definitely not the only one. I used to watch my inbox explode every holiday season with hundreds of promotional emails that I never asked for. But I don't deal with that chaos anymore, and by the end of this video, you won't have to either. So here's what makes Black Friday email spam and those relentless Thanksgiving marketing emails so brutal. Retailers don't just send from one email address. They've got multiple domains, which means unsubscribing once doesn't actually stop the flood. When they sign you up for one email list, you actually get signed up for many email lists, which means unsubscribing from one doesn't actually stop the flood. Thanksgiving marketing emails are brutal. Your regular email provider, Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, all have unsubscribe buttons and filters for sure, but they only work one sender at a time. And they don't automatically organize deals or separate shipping updates from promotional noise. So you're stuck cleaning your inbox during the busiest shopping season. Let's talk about what Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook actually offer. Gmail gives you an unsubscribe button, but after you click it, you either have to confirm the action or get redirected to the company's website to complete the process, which isn't always easy. Sometimes there's a million questions before they'll actually unsubscribe you. And even then, sometimes they say they unsubscribe you and they don't. And you're doing this one sender at a time. Yahoo Mail has similar tools, but no mobile filtering and zero automation. Yahoo also lets you find the unsubscribe button and click it. Outlook lets you block senders or mark emails as junk, but cleanup stays completely manual. Here's the real issue: none of these tools automatically group Black Friday promotions and Cyber Monday deals and your shopping notifications together. You're left sorting through everything, trying to figure out which 50% off email is actually worth opening and which tracking belongs to which order. This video is made possible by Clean Email, and we built our feature specifically to solve the holiday email chaos. So here's how we handle things differently. Smart folders automatically group your emails into labeled categories such as seasonal sales, so every Black Friday deal lands in one spot. You can check your deals when you're ready to shop and track your packages without digging through the promotional clutter. You can select all of them and choose actions, such as trash, so you can trash all of the seasonal sale emails. You can also mark them as read or choose to keep newest. Keep newest is a game changer because it automatically keeps only the most recent 7 messages from each sender. Keep newest clears out the expired promotions while keeping the latest offers and shipping updates visible. So now that you've gotten rid all of these deals or archived them or taken some sort of action to get them out of your hair, how do you keep them from coming back? That's where the unsubscriber comes in. The unsubscriber feature shows you all of the senders emailing you regularly in one tab, and not just the ones that Gmail and Yahoo try to show you, all of them. And you can choose to take actions one by one or in bulk. If you're really frustrated, you can select all and unsubscribe, and you'll never hear from them again, unless you want to. We do have a feature that lets you resubscribe as well. My favorite workflow for this is to rank from number of messages, high to low, so I can see who is the top offender and unsubscribe from those ones. Or if I really like them, I'll hit keep newest. This way my inbox doesn't get overwhelmed. So to wrap it up, you absolutely can unsubscribe one by one in Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, but it is a pain, and that's why we developed Clean Email. If you've watched this far, there is a 15% discount code in the description below. We're wishing you a happy holidays from Clean Email. Let us know in the comments below what you prefer, the native method or Clean Email.